Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Ian in Ohio on this Galaxy dx55v. Ian, got it ready to go for you, bud. As you've seen, we cleaned it up for you while we had it here and reinstalled the modulation limiter. Took out the 249 swing mod that was in it. Done it up like we do it. And here's what we got out of this single final 2312. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug. Half watt, so you got full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 5 watts all the way up. Over here to average power swing, 50-watt slug. Hello, about 13 bird. Peak watts, hello, 30 watts, as expected. Cleaned your volume knob, was able to get it working. It's working great now. There's no static whatsoever. Everything's great. Done the alignment. Receive was way down on it. Brought that up. It's ready to go, man. Hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.